Hello everybody, this is an old typewriter, the Remington 10 from 1913. Remington is a very famous typewriter builder. It was probably the first industrial and commercial producer of typewriters. Remington is a rifle builder, but it's not strange that they started to build typewriters, because both rifles and typewriters require skills in precision mechanics. There are other examples of this. Seidel and Naumann, before starting to build typewriters, was a sewing machine builder. So James Desmore, George Wangston Jost, and H. H. Benedict in 1873 convinced Philo Remington to build typewriters. In 1886 Remington quit from the typewriter building, but the name remained the same. So in 1908 Remington started the production of the Model 10. The Model 10 is the first Remington typewriter with visible writing. In the previous models, this Remington 7 for example, you could not see what you wrote because the typing bars were below the carriage. The Remington models after the 10, the Model 11 and the Model 12, are quite similar to this Model 10. This is the color selector and its mechanism. This is the mechanism of the typing bars. It's nice to have typewriters without case, because you can see the inside. The typing characters are different from the ones more commonly found. Much more thinner, you see. You can use these levers to raise the paper rollers bar to insert the paper. Very simple mechanism. If the paper is not parallel with the line of writing, with the lever you can slacken the pressure of the lower feed rolls upon the paper. You can fix this lever with this other blocking lever. This is the interline lever. With this screw you can select the number of interlines in 3 different positions, you see. If you want to release the roller from the notches, you can press the right thumb wheel like this and fix it with this hook. Now the spacing ratchet is out of action and you can move freely the roller without notches, you see. If you press again the hook, you restore the former situation. Now the ratchet wheel is in action again. This is the margin. And this lever on the bar is the margin release. This little crank is to advance the ribbon. There is a tabulator, you can set it with these sliders on the back, on this bar. And you use it with these red buttons. And also for this typewriter, that's all. Have a nice day.